Welcome and thank you for choosing Kilgore College. This video will demonstrate how to access your new Office 365 account. You will begin with opening a new tab and typing in office.com. After typing in office.com, press enter. Your screen will look very similar to this. You will go from here and click the word sign in. It will then lead you to the following page. You will place in your student ID, and instead of placing go.kilgore.edu, you will now use @mykc.kilgore.edu. Here, you will press next. It will take you to your organization's sign-in page where you will see the Texas Identity Solutions. You will again type in your student ID, at mykc.kilgore.edu. You will then enter your password. After entering in the information, you will click Sign In. It will take you where you will have to verify your security. You will choose text message, call me, or email me in order to select your multi-factor authentication login method. It will send you a one-time passcode via email, text message, or phone call. You will then enter your one-time password. Click Submit. From there, it will ask you, do you want to save this device? If it is a personal computer, you may click yes. If it is a school or public computer, please click no. Here, I will click no. From there, click Sign In. It will then navigate you to the Kilgore College page. If you would like to stay signed in, you may check the box below. If you do not want to sign in, then do not check it. If you are on a public computer, please do not select the box. From here, you will click yes or no. We will click yes. It will sign you into your Microsoft Office 365. You will see a welcome message. You have installed applications here via a Dropbox. You have the home page. You may create content via the plus, giving you access to Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, Excel workbooks, forms, quizzes, page notes, notebooks, lists, pages, drawings, and more. All applications located here in Microsoft Office 365 at Kilgore College are free as long as you are a student. You may also click Feed, which will provide you with the latest information here at Kilgore College. From Feed, we have apps, and these apps are listed according to productivity, utilities, education, communication, content management, project management, development tools, and more. Your apps are also located at the top. You may select Outlook. Your Outlook email will navigate and open. The emails that you had at your go.kilgore.edu will be uploaded to your mykc.kilgore.edu account. Your apps are also located on the left-hand side: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and most importantly, your Drive. Your OneDrive operates similar to your Google Drive. You may upload information and documents to share with professors, students, etc. here. More applications is located at this waffle. Click and you may see. Once completed, you will go to the right hand side, click your initials, and sign out. Thank you for choosing Kilgore College. We hope this video helps. If you are in need of more help, please do not hesitate to contact the help desk at 7522. Thank you again.